Crafty Kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a clay pot for Lord Krishna. So this is a very easy way of making a clay pot and it is useful too. So you can use this as a home decor for Krishna Jeyanthi. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need some brown clay. So the first step is that we have to roll this into a ball. So after we get a ball, we have to press the clay on the top. So we have to keep on pressing it until there is a hole in the clay. So we have to press it slowly. You guys can also mix some black clay with this brown clay if you like, because mixing of black clay will make the brown clay more darker. So after we get a structure like this, I am taking some black clay and I am rolling it. So now we got a rectangular piece of black clay. Now I am sticking it on top of the brown clay. Like this. So next step is that I am sticking some pink gems around the brown clay. Like this. So we have to stick this all around the clay. Like this. So after we stick the pink gems around the brown clay, we have to take some cotton. You guys can also take white clay, but I am taking cotton because it will look more realistic. So I am just taking some cotton and just squeezing it into the brown clay. So before that, I am taking a toothpick and I'm just putting some holes and I'm squeezing it into the brown clay because this will make the cotton to stick even better. So after we pierce some holes, I'm sticking the cotton into that. So now our clay pot is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a clay pot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!